Hello, people. So today I just bought this Razer headphones, which is cool. So here it is. Kind of cool. And it has a Razer symbol. I mean a logo. There is a digital gaming and music headset. Alright, let's unbox it. Alright, so that. Okay, cool. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so I just pause it because I need two hands to do this. Alright. Oh man. Nice. Cool stuff. Has microphone. Look at this. There we go. Let's see. Okay, Oh. Okay. Dang it. No. What do you do? Okay, there we go. Oh crap. Alright. I bet I did something. Hold on. Holy moly, look at this. Look at that. Alright. Now it's the time to pull this. So this is bendable. See, it's bendable mic, which you can plug it in right here. I don't know where is it. And I'll show you my desktop, and I'm gonna plug it in right now. Alright, so this is my desktop. That's my brother's. And this is my headphones. And you see this wire's broken and stuff, so I'm gonna unplug it. Oh. This should be thrown in the trash can. Electronic forgotten box of death. I shall put this headphones right here because it is broken. I'm so sorry, headphones. Rest in peace. Alright. Through the testing. Let's see. So this is for the protector. This USB disc. And any USB ports, you can put it in your laptop or well, I don't know how do you call this, but I'm gonna like put it right in. Hold on. You can either keep this or you can throw it. It's your choice. So I'm gonna keep this. Oh boy, I can keep this and put it right here. Alright, time to on this stuff. Jeez, this thing is so old. You can see the reflections if you can. But yeah, alright. Right, this is my desktop, and as you see, it's plugged in. Yep, right there, and it turns on when you on your keyboard, so that is awesome. And as you see, I got the Black Widow computer connected with the Electra headphones, and it is awesome. Alright, so see you guys, and this is my first unboxing video. Goodbye.